ग्रीवमुपास्महे हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरदेवानि जन्मकन्या प्रवाहवत् ओम शांति शांति शांति. My salutations at the lotus feet of Master Hanuman, Master E.K. Garu, and all other Homeo Gurus, and my pranams to all the participants who are attending these classes. I'm very glad to start the new series of classes on demand from the students who attended my classes earlier. And today is the first class we are conducting for juniors. Friday and Wednesday are for juniors and Thursday for seniors. Many people are asking me, can we join for both? You can join, there is no problem. Only thing is, juniors are requested not to ask any questions for seniors class, because that is advanced course. You may get lot of doubts. You have to wait and bear with me. And seniors can ask questions in juniors class. And questions will be answered at the end. Why? Because at the end, there will be no disturbance and class will be running very smoothly. Nagavalli, Varanasi, switch off your video. Now, we will start the class.
Gurugar, okay, 1 second. Namaskaram. I'm able to log in. We will manage, sir. Everyone, you guys go with your discussion. We resolve the issue.
Okay.
Madam Nagwali, madam, could you please switch off your video, please? Sir, you go ahead, sir.
Yes. Now, what is homeopathy? We will start with the basics, thinking that you are not having any knowledge of homeopathy. That is the reason seniors are asked not to join juniors class, because you will be listening to the same things and you may get bored also. But it is very important that you should understand the basics very well, not easily. Very well, you should understand the basics. Then you will be able to follow it up well.
Master,
Now,
one
am
second.
I audible?
One second, Master. Venkataramana Palishetty, can you please stop sharing the screen?
Please don't disturb us, Venkatramana.
Otherwise, we will remove from the call. Please join back without sharing.
Yeah,
thank you.
Do that. Now, we will start. Am I audibility is there? Clear video and audio both?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Both are clear?
Yes, sir. We
Let
can hear.
admins answer. Let admins answer. That's enough. Okay.
It's clear, sir.
Now, what is meant by homeopathy? I told you, we will start with the fundamentals. The advantage of listening to fundamentals again is, it is a refreshing course for the seniors. The very reason of conducting these classes is to let you know that homeopathy is the best science for any medical problem. Many people have a lot of inhibitions, and there are many doubts even seniors are having. Yesterday there was a call from seniors. He told me that he is giving 2-3 drugs at a time. That means he has not understood the basics of homeopathy. In homeopathy, as I told in the introductory class, there is only one person in the person and one medicine at a time. That is the rule of homeopathy. We cannot give 3 or 4 drugs at a time to any patient. This is very important. Please note down some of the bullet points I will be telling. You can note down the running notes if you feel like any important point you got it. But I will give very important things as bullet points. There you can again just go through that. Then you will understand it well. Okay, number 1. It is the man that is sick. It is the man that is sick. Note down. It is the man that is sick and to be restored to health. And to be restored to health, comma, not his body, comma, not the tissues, TISSUES. This is the fundamental rule of homeo treatment. It is the man that is sick. Man means it's person. It is the person that is sick and to be restored to health, not the body, not the tissues. This is where we differ from other systems of medicine. I told you yesterday that we need not criticize any system. All the systems have their own advantages. We will only tell good about homeopathy. What other systems are doing, let us not criticize anybody, because each system has got its own advantages. Luckily, we have so many doctors attending these classes. I don't mean any system as bad, so please don't misunderstand. Even the other students also should not misunderstand other systems. We will tell good about our system. We can tell any amount of information we can give on homeopathy. So it is the person that is sick and to be restored to health, not his body. When we say the person that is sick means, you should understand person as a whole. Who is the person? Where is he in the person? He is in the body. Body is only a facility given to the person to stay in with an agreement of 100 years lease. The person is not the owner of the body. Owner is God. Because we are staying in the house owned by Dr. M. Dharmaraju. That is Yama Dharmaraj. He may ask us to vacate the house at any point of time. If we can maintain the house well, the owner will ask us to stay for more time. Who is becoming sick is the person that is becoming sick in the beginning. And later, the sickness descends to the physical body, making the body sick and also tissues. There is some difference in the tissues. If you can understand this statement, as there is only one person in a person, one medicine at a time is to be given. And we should give medicine only to the person, but not to the organs or tissues. Next point, note down. During sickness, person says, I am sick. That I put in inverted commas. The person says, I am sick. It is very clear from the statement that the body is not sick. He may refer to the body. He may mean it as a body, but doesn't mean he is the body. When he says, I am sick, when a proper medicine is given to make him healthy, automatically he will become normal. Then, after the proper medication, he will come and tell, I am okay. Earlier he said, I am sick. Now he says, I am okay. This is the efficacy of homeopathy. No other system can say like this. If we can treat the person as a whole, here whole means the person's total symptoms. That is why we listen to a word statement, totality of symptoms. Please note down. Third point. The totality of symptoms is the most important aspect. The totality of symptoms is the most important aspect of homeopathy. Now, let us again remind the symptom, that is statements. Number one, person is sick, but not the body and tissues. Number two, totality of symptoms are very important. Then during sickness, person says, I am sick, and once his health is restored, he will tell, I am okay. He may have some physical problem. He may have some skin problem or some other physical body problem concerned with physical body. But he will come and tell that I am okay. That means a right medicine is given. When the owner of this body is okay, automatically body will be normal. It may take 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 weeks, does not matter. So when he says I am okay, that is the cure. Cure means cure of the person. Physical cure will come later. It will come automatically. Next, the person gives lot of symptoms. The person or patient, no doubt. The patient gives lot of symptoms and pages of suffering. And pages of suffering. Comma. They will look sick. They will look sick. The person gives lot of symptoms, comma, pages of suffering, and they will look sick. All the lab tests are conducted, comma, all the lab tests are conducted. But all the parameters are okay. All the parameters are okay. What does it mean? They are giving lot of symptoms, pages of suffering. Person says, I am sick. All the lab tests are conducted. All parameters are okay. But he says, I am sick. This we must clearly understand that the person is to be restored to health. When a right homeopathy medicine is given to that person, taking all the symptoms into consideration, automatically the person is restored to health. When he is restored to health, he will come and tell, I am okay. This is the ultimate aim of homeopathic treatment. Till the person says, I am okay, we have to study the symptoms, find out one medicine according to the totality of symptoms. Please note down. Next point. I will be going a bit faster because in 50 classes, we have to cover the minimum syllabus. This is where, no doubt, this is where homeopathy comes to use. This is where homeopathy comes to use. Please understand one important point here. When all the organs are okay, all the tissues are okay, homeopathy is the best medicine to be taken when there is a feeling in the patient or a sensation in the patient that he is not okay. You understand this point? Then here homeopathy comes into picture. No doubt. There are symptoms. There are symptoms at sensations. There are symptoms at sensations and feelings level. There are symptoms at sensations and feelings level. So this is the clear case for homeopathy. Unfortunately, I'm telling you, explaining. Unfortunately, the people go to homeopathy at this stage where there are no problems, but they feel that some problem is there. He will come and tell that left side head there is pain. Then you ask him whether it is only left side. No, it will shift to right side. Then it will shift to back. It will shift to top vortex. Any real pain is there, it will not shift. So there is a sensation that there is some problem. There is some problem at feelings and sensations levels. Only then patient feels that there is some pain. This is the best suited for homeopathy. 90% of the problems what general people have at sensation feelings level, if they come to homeopathy at that stage, then the physical body will not get affected. No tissue changes it will come, and the person is perfectly curable. This is the purpose of this class. You must understand whether the symptoms are at feelings level or sensations level, or there is really change in the tissues or in the body. So this is where we must understand very clearly. Next point. Note down. That means I will ask you note down, then you note down. Only one sentence I will tell. That means the symptoms are felt you underline. The symptoms are felt but not visible to either physical eye, to either EATHER, either physical eye or microscope. So the symptoms are at feelings only, felt, but it is not visible to the physical eye, or at the microscopic test also they are not visible. That means it is the most fit case for homeopathic treatment. Okay. Next. If the patient takes treatment, I will repeat again. Repetition, somebody asked. Yes, please note down. The symptoms are felt but not visible. Symptoms are felt but not visible to either physical eye or microscope. You please be alert. Note down, carefully listen. To either physical eye or microscope. If such, next line, if such patient comes to homeopathy, if such patient comes to homeopathy at this stage, a real sickness will not descend, DESCEND. Real sickness will not descend to the physical plane. That means the person will not really become sick. It is only at the sensation level or feelings level that he is sick. And when the homeopathy is given, it will set right. The feelings and sensations, automatically the patient will become normal. If the trouble comes to physical plane, some important organ gets affected, very difficult to cure such cases. We can cure, but difficult. Next point. Continue that. No doubt. If this situation continues, the patient may reach, if this situation continues, the patient may reach a state called incurability. The patient may reach a state called incurability. And in such cases, homeopathy also may not help. May not. It may help, may not help. That means every person should take care that the incurability state will not come to the body or the person. Once it is at curable state, automatically the person will be cured completely. This is another important point of homeopathy. I will be telling about the cure chapter next to this, then you will understand it well. Okay. Next point. Note down. What do these symptoms indicate? What do these symptoms indicate? For example, a symptom like sleeplessness. For example, a symptom like sleeplessness, crazy thoughts, CRAZY, crazy thoughts, anxiety, ANXIETY, and fear, etc. These are the symptoms which are not available in physical plane. The person says, sir, all the tests are conducted, I am normal. Doctor says I am normal, but I am not getting sleep. He may say that, sir, I am having some fear inside. My life is black. I don't want to live anymore. I told you the R metallicum in the first and second class. I don't want to live because life is black. And I am having fear, lot of anxiety. Something may happen to me or my family members. I'm not getting sleep. What do all these symptoms indicate? That is, the indication is very clear. There is something wrong with the person as a whole, not his physical body. When that person feels that he is not getting sleep or his thoughts are running crazy, we have to treat him homeopathically, finding out the word again, the totality of symptoms, then he is permanently and totally cured. This is the basic difference between homeopathy and other systems. Even the senior most students, they get doubt in these things. They give one symptom, one medicine, one symptom, one medicine. That is what I observe. One symptom, one medicine we can give only when it is an acute case where the person has to be cured at that stage. But when it comes to the chronic case, patient is having frequently problem, then we have to go through the totality of symptoms. Okay. Next note down. These symptoms are ARER. These symptoms are but the language of nature of the person. And showing SHOWING as clearly as and showing as clearly as the daylight, the internal nature of the sick person. The internal nature of the sick person. We have, no, please understand, we have to take the case in whole totality, and these symptoms like fear or anxiety or no love on himself and is not able to manage well, getting irritated for everything, all these symptoms show us the internal nature of the person, that we call it as a swabhava. This swabhava comes by birth. And the swabhava is because of the practices done in the previous birth. And that swabhava, many people say can't be changed. No, it can be changed. It can be changed with the help of homeopathy or by following the Patanjali Yoga Sutras or with the grace of the Gurus. These three conditions will improve the nature of the person. All these symptoms indicate the real nature of the person. And we can understand that the person's nature is like this 1, 2, 3, 4 symptoms. All symptoms are of the mind. The swabhava or the nature of the person is denoted by the symptoms of the mind. He will tell, I feel as if I am unable to control my anger. I am unable to stop scolding others. That is one symptom. Many people, 99.9% people are having these symptoms of the mind. Because of that, the family members are suffering. Any of your family members are having these symptoms, contact nearest homeopath. Give them the symptoms, give the doctor all the nature of the person. Then a proper medicine is selected. His nature will change. Don't be under impression that nature will not be changed. No, it can be changed with the help of homeopathy. If this nature is not changed, and if it continues with the symptoms like anxiety or fear or something, he may end up with a chronic disease or a disease called diabetes or blood pressure or some other cancer, etc., etc. It is not the person. It is not the external symptoms. External symptoms are not that important. It is the internal symptoms, internal nature of the person. That is very, very important. The internal nature, if not cured with homeopathy, he may land up in some disease called diabetes or something, etc. Please note down next point. You should pick up speed in noting down. Okay, I cannot repeat every symptom. Next. There is no naming ceremony. There is no naming ceremony of diseases in homeopathy. There is no naming ceremony of diseases in homeopathy. Many patients will come and ask, sir, what is the trouble I am having? What is the disease I am having? Because other systems name the disease. For us, there are no diseases, there are only disorders. And Dr. Kent clearly says that the name of the disease will be the name of the homeopathic remedy. Suppose the person belongs to Nakswamika. If he comes and asks, sir, what is the name of the disease I am having? You can tell, you are having Nakswamika. Then he will have a fear. What is the new disease? Nobody has told. And he may go and ask an allopathic doctor, sir, what is Nakswamika disease? Even that fellow does not know because it is the homeopathy name of the remedy. So in homeopathy, name of the disease, disorder is nothing but name of the medicine, and the name of the medicine, the symptoms all put together, they denote the cure of the patient. And if that is given in proper potency, the person will get back the health. It is always the restoration of the health, but not removal of the symptoms. Next, this symptom I will tell next. So remember, these symptoms are present for a very long period and they will take the form of a chronic disease. Okay. Next point. Please note down. There is no meaning, no doubt. There is no meaning in fighting with the disease. There is no meaning in fighting with the disease, like diabetes, etc. And if a person is treated as a whole, WHO as a whole, the diseases disappear. The diseases disappear. Hence, even elderly for information, diseases like diabetes or blood pressure or thyroid, etc., can be completely cured if there is no damage done to the pancreas or any other kidney or any other important organs of the body. Easily, we can cure the patient. Next note. It is unfortunate that the people are not aware. It is unfortunate that the people are not aware of the homeopathic theory. People are not aware of the science of homeopathy. You can note down science of homeopathy. And true picture of diagnosing the symptoms of the patient. True picture of diagnosing the symptoms of the patient, but not by medical lab test. Lab test will help the homeopathy doctor to see the physiological condition of the body. Lab tests are important even for homeopathy or allopathy or any system. Thereby we can assess the damage done to the tissues and internal organs. Thereby a proper homeopathic remedy can be selected. They are also called symptoms. Please note down. It is unfortunate that the people are not aware of the science of homeopathy, a true picture of diagnosing the symptoms of the patient. This is point. Next point. If we observe a child with nervousness, if we observe a child with nervousness, comma, dreams, comma, restlessness, etc. And patient says all the organs are functioning normally, we must select a medicine. We must select a medicine based on totality of symptoms. Based on totality of symptoms, and the patient will be cured. And the patient will be cured. Yes, Shankar Prasad. Unmute. What is your doubt? Dr. Shankar Prasad. Okay. Next point. Suppose the patient is not treated with homeopathy at this stage. I told you disease will descend to the physical plane. After descending to the physical plane, after diagnosing with some changes in the tissues, then we may tell the patient as, oh, no, you are a diabetic. But he's not diabetic from yesterday or day before yesterday. He has been diabetic for the last so many years. The date of the start of the symptoms are the start of the symptoms at mind. And finally, after 10 years or 12 years or 5 years or 6 years, whatever it may be, he will be diagnosed as diabetic. Homeopathy says he is diabetic for many, many years. Yes, Dr. Shankar Prasad. Shankar
Sir,
Prasad.
sir, carry
Yes,
on, sir.
doubt.
Carry on, sir.
Carry on. Very good. Okay. Now, at the end, I will clarify your notes. Let it go neatly. Okay. Next point. If we believe an organ is sick, and this alone constitutes 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 the disease, comma, the removal of the organ must restore the health. Suppose you say, an example, somebody is having problem with some organ, and suppose we remove the organ, whether the patient is getting health again to full health? No, because organ is not sick on its own. There is sickness of the person. When the symptoms are there of the mind, and only symptoms to furnish the image of sickness, if the patient is not attended to homeopathically at that stage, he may get the organ damaged. And removal of the organ will only remove the organ, whereas the cause still remains in the person. So, Dr. Hahnemann clearly states that is important. Remove the cause of the problem. Remove the disease cause. Then automatically the disease will disappear. This is the difference between other systems of medicine and homeopathy. Homeopathy will directly acts on the cause of the disease, and it removes the cause. Automatically, all the effects will get nullified. One example, a general I give, repeat again and again. Gold is the cause of gold chain. Gold is the cause of gold chain, gold ring, gold bangles. In all these ornaments, gold is the cause. A mathematics teacher asked his wife, my dear, give me your gold chain. I will sell the gold and return your chain. Gold chain minus gold is equal to chain. Is it correct mathematically? Mathematically, wrong. If we remove gold from the chain, nothing remains. That means if you remove the cause from the effect, nothing remains. But if you fight only with the effects of the disease, forgetting the cause is still remaining in the person, that will prop up some other symptom. This is the basic important point of homeopathy. This is the reason people take medicine for lifetime. Take, for example, a diabetes or blood pressure. The doctor prescribes the medicine for heart complaint or some other complaint. The doctor says, sir, how many days I should take the medicine? Patient asks, as long as you live or survive, take the medicine. What is the reason? Reason is they are only fighting with the effects of the disease, forgetting the cause. Homeopathy will remove the cause. If cause is removed, automatically all the effects are cured. So this you should understand, and this is the efficacy of homeopathy. Okay. Next point, note down. Always the disease cause is to be removed. Always the disease cause is to be removed, not its effects. Not its effects. Next point. If an organ is sick, it means something prior, prior, something prior to this sickness is present in the body. Something prior to sickness is present in the body. The organ has not become sick overnight. There is something prior to that. Already sick person is there. The sick person is present and one organ is damaged because sickness is there in the person or the cause is there. Slowly other organs also will get damaged. If we keep rotten tomato in the basket of tomatoes, slowly other tomato also will get affected. If we remove the cause of the problem, automatically everything is cured or put into order. So there is something prior to that has become sick, and hence we have to treat the person as a whole, and the cause is to be addressed. That is very, very important. Next point. In the beginning, I will be going slow because you have to understand the theory well. Then once we proceed, I will become more faster. Next point. We should avoid the localization of the disease, and give medicine to the person. Person underline. Give medicine to the person and cure him totally. Next point. If an eruption on the skin is made to disappear, by using ointments, it does not mean a cure. If an eruption on the skin is made to disappear by using ointments, it does not mean cure. Eruption, only remember, eruption is the ultimate. There is disease cause is present in the body. The vital force in the body, this is the word we repeat again and again, vital force, that has driven the disease cause from within the body to external skin. Appearing on skin, a disease appearing on a skin means the vital force is able to drive the poisonous material that is present in the person. It is able to drive it out. The outermost layer of the body is the skin. That means it has kept the person inside very safe, and it has driven the disease outside on the skin. One example I will give you. As long as the terrorists threatening the country, as long as they are on the border, I can sleep well in Bangalore. The border, we have a border security force. 24 hours they will be alert and fighting with the terrorists who want to come to the country. Because they are not sleeping, the soldiers at the border, we are able to sleep in the cities. If the terrorists enter into the cities, the citizens will not get sleep. Always the border security force will be watching any intruders not to enter into the country. And within country, if somebody is there, the local police will drive them out. Just send them out. The same is the situation in the body also. We have taken on rent, I told you, the body. As far as possible, we should keep it safe and useful. If the person is not useful to himself, to the family, and to the society, there is no meaning. And he will be useful to himself and to the family as long as he does not have any symptoms or any diseases, disorders. If there is some disorder, there is vital force in us which can drive the disease out onto the skin. Please understand, this is very, very important part of homeopathy. If you understand this theory and take homeopathy medicine, you will be cured fast. And you will never bother about any problem on the skin because you understand now that any skin eruption is an outcome of the vital forces action driving the toxic material from the body to the outermost layer of the skin. The vital force in us tries to keep this body healthy and for a long period. When we take a house on rent, a good person will always continue to live in the same house as long as possible. And he maintains the house well. Suppose he does not maintain it well, the house gets damaged. We have to vacate the house on our own or by the force of the owner. We keep the house clean, every day cleaning it and maintaining all the walls and doors well. So, this is the reason. The moles and spots, somebody is asking. Moles and spots are not diseases. They are not the outcome of the disease. Okay, there is only one symptom you can take. Now coming to the subject, we will be safe in this house as long as there is no poisonous material present in the body. One example I will give you. By mistake, without knowledge, suppose a fly we eat with the payasam or kheer or food. Fly is of a size of milligrams. Once it enters the body, the person will not be having rest unless it is vomited out. Because the fly carries some poison with it. A fellow who can digest 1 kg of chicken cannot digest 1 milligram of fly, because the fly carries the poison and it should be vomited out. He will immediately get a sensation or a symptom of nausea, vomitings. And he will be happy only when the fly comes out, which he has consumed without his knowledge. In such cases, vomiting should not be stopped. No medicine should be given to stop vomiting. In fact, to aid the patient, to support the patient, we should give a medicine which will create vomiting. Then, if it is vomited out, the person is safe. This is the theory of homeopathy. A scorpion bite. We cannot explain the burning of the scorpion bite unless we are bitten by it sometime. That is, I have treated many cases of scorpion bite. When I ask the patient, how is the burning? Then it's better you get bitten by once at least. Then you will understand the burning pain I am having. I cannot explain it. What is the reason of burning that is created by the person? Because if the burning is there, that means the vital force in us is fighting with the poison that has entered because of the sting of the scorpion. The vital force gets all the security staff inside the body, all the army inside the body. At that spot where the scorpion has bitten or the snake has bitten, and it will try to fight with that small portion of the poison and stops it spreading further. In the course of the fighting, the person gets burning. So we should not treat the burning. We should support the vital force to fight further with the disease cause. Another example I will give you. Suppose there is some problem in one place in a city where only 4 or 5 policemen are there, but the terrorists are 10 in number. What the poor police with the chappal, Hawaii chappal, they cannot fight with the 10 members. What will they do? Generally, they will call the headquarters and they will ask for additional forces. Suppose one full van of rapid action force enters into the scene. The 10 terrorists, they will either run away or they will be caught by the police. That means there is no meaning with fighting with the terrorists there by 4 members. Additional forces to be called for. Same is the case with the body also. There is no meaning in fighting with the result of the disease. You should always remove the cause, 4 members. For them, there is behind somebody is there. Catch hold of them and then send them or put them behind the bars. We are safe. This is the importance of homeopathy. This is where homeopathy works. And this is how homeopathy cures. And this is the work done by Dr. Samuel Christian Frederick Hahnemann. His full name is that. See how much service he has done to the society. How much he thought 2.5 years, centuries back, he thought and he has done, worked on that and found out the theory of homeopathy. And see that the persons get health by removing the cause of the disease and with the safest, white, sweet, globules. There is one proverb in Sanskrit and Telugu that a disease which is very, very bitter cannot be cured with a sweet medicine. It was a proverb before Hanuman was born. That is to be changed. Even the bitterest, that is the word, I don't know if it is there in English or not, the most bitter substance also can be treated with sweet white globules. And homeopathy is best suited for the persons who are children and also who are old people. This is the advantage of homeopathy. So please note down last point. So disease should not be localized and we should not allow it to localize. Even if it is localized, it has come from within, from inside. When the disease is from inside, cure also must be from inside. Suppose a disease is from external source, like suppose you get an injury, fall, then there is some injury, physical injury to the body, external injury because of the external cause. Then we may apply ointment or give few medicines, that is few doses extra, because the cause is from outside. Even such cases, the cause is from within only because of negligence. Why will we fall? Because you are not taken care either while walking or while sitting, something. Even all the accidents happen because of the mind only. When the driver is not alert, accident may happen. The treatment for external cause, we have to give externally. The treatment for internal problem, like the negligence or the non-alertness, we have to treat it homeopathically. And homeopathy says this is the best medicine. I repeat again, we will not criticize any other system. We will only tell about good about my system. My system is homeopathy. So this is the point we want to tell today. And Friday will be the class for juniors. And please attend the class on time, on the dot. 7:30 we will start. And you should be present by 7:25. Now I will answer the questions raised by the students of this class. Don't worry. Those who can stay for some time, you may please stop. You may please stay. Want to go? Thank you very much. Next, we will have questions one by one. I will ask. Otherwise, admin, you please manage.
Yes, sir. Yes, we will manage. We will go one by one. First, Divakar Reddy.
Sir,
Divakar
immediately,
Reddy.
don't waste time. Be alert. Next.
Salima Lalani, madam.
Hello, sir. I have a question that why the vital force brings out the spots and moles?
Why the vital force?
Brings out the spots and moles. Like some people get so many moles. Like
Brings
every
out.
month
Brings out.
they'll.
We cannot survive when a poison is in the body. The person will die if vital force does not bring out the toxic materials from the body, from within. If it is allowed. An example I will give. A thief cannot be allowed to stay with us in the house. He has to be sent out. Suppose you keep a thief along with your family members, we will die at any time. That is the reason the vital force drives the disease out.
So getting moles and warts, right? Are they disease? Like I
If it-
understand that if
if
there is
it
acne,
comes-
pimples,
If
then
it comes,
you feel.
if it comes from within, it is a disease symptom. Don't call it as disease. It is one symptom. Next. Be brief and I will be brief.
Harini, madam.
Good evening, sir. This is Harini.
Yes.
Sir, you spoke about totality of symptoms, sir. So I
Yes.
have doubts there. So when you said totality of symptom, did you mean only the physical or it also includes the mental?
Both. It
Okay.
includes the bodily symptoms and mind symptoms. Totality
Okay. Thank
includes
you,
both.
sir.
Okay,
So
next.
the second one, the physical patient will say that I have fever, I have cough,
Yes,
but the
yes.
mental, will the patient say, or do we have to ask them the leading questions?
We can ask some questions which will not lead, of course. By experience, you will learn, madam.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Atota Srinivas, sir.
He is not
Sir, good
presenting.
evening, sir.
Yes,
I want to ask in Telugu, sir.
yes.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు పేషెంట్ దగ్గర సిమ్టమ్స్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి మన ఫిలాసఫీ చెప్పాలనా సార్, లేకపోతే మనం ర్యాండమ్గా మన సిమ్టమాటాలజీ తీసుకొని వాళ్ళకి మెడిసిన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు
There is a
సత్యం
separate
అవన్నీ
class. There is a separate
Sir.
class for case taking. In that class, I will explain that.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Case
థ్యాంక్ యూ
taking,
సార్.
there is a separate class. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Little Bright Minds.
Yeah, namaste, sir.
What is
One
your
question.
name?
This is Vani here
Vani from where?
from Mysore.
Mysore. Tell me.
Yes, sir. One question is, what are the consequences if we give wrong medicine in case of skin diseases, as we are trying to push back again? And one more thing is, what if the person has already reached the physical state of disorder? Still, we continue the traditional method as much as we can try to restore.
Just now I told you cannot have a thief with us in the house. What methods we used to send him out? The traditional methods, traditional homeopathy, or we call it as classical homeopathy, is the best system to drive the disease cause outside and treat the patient as a whole. So what will happen when we keep the poison in the body? Person has to vacate the house. That is how we see so many premature deaths. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
And in case of
Sorry.
sorry to interrupt, sir.
Fast, be
That
fast.
in case of if we wrongly give any medication in case of
Nothing
skin
will happen in
problems.
homeopathy. If we give 1 or 2 doses, nothing will happen. Even if you suppress the disease from the skin into the body, the vital force again fights and gets the disease out.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Roshan Bhatta, sir.
Namaste, sir. So I wanted to ask one question that.
You please tell me where from
kind
you're
of,
talking. You're calling.
From Dallas,
From Dallas. Tell me, sir.
Dallas, Texas, US.
Yeah, no problem.
So I was feeling this sensation like every day I sit in a room, and when I go out to work, suddenly I feel a sensation. This is personal, because I feel a sensation. Is it like physical, or is it
Any
like only
sensations
sensation?
are of the mind only.
Because I feel down the whole body part on the left side.
Yeah. That you're
like
using
the
the
whole
word
thing.
feeling, and you're using the word sensation. They are of the mind, but
And,
symptom appears on the body.
So it shows that half of my weight is like falling down or something,
Yeah,
like
it is a
some
sensation.
weight,
It is a mind symptom.
or getting heavy or something. So
Yes. They are all of the mind symptoms. Suppose you're getting a feeling of getting heavy. At that time, you weigh yourself in the scale. Your weight is increased.
yes. No, I think weight is the same.
Why weight is not increased when you are feeling heavy? Instead of 70 kgs, you must be 80 kgs. But when you see on the scale, it is 70 only. But you are feeling as if your head is 10 kgs more. That means it is mental. That is belongs to mind. Mental means not mental hospital mental. It belongs to the mind symptom. Then we can treat it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
Sudharani Khatri, madam.
Yes, sir. So you
Where
said,
from? You
sir,
should
I'm
tell.
from Karnool. I'm
Tell me
Sudharani. I'm from Karnool, sir.
origin. Yes, Karnool. Tell me.
Yeah. Sir, you said one point. If an eruption on the skin is made to disappear by using any ointments, it doesn't mean cure. So if it is not cure, does it harm or does it doesn't do anything?
If you don't suppress it, it won't harm. On the skin, it is safe. I told you, on the border, terrorists are always there. Only when they enter into the country, danger. So if it is not suppressed, then there is no danger. Unless
So applying ointment into suppression only is what I'm
then
feeling.
it is
But
dangerous. Then it is
yeah.
dangerous.
So ointments may be different things. It may be natural, like if I apply coconut oil or any other oil, will it also cause harm like suppression? I
No,
don't know.
no, no.
So it's
Coconut
a
oil will not drive the disease inside. It only gives
yeah.
soothing, temporary relief. But it will not drive the disease inside the body. Natural. It is. Okay.
Yeah. Then it means English ointments, whatever the chemical ointment. Yes, sir.
I don't use that word
Okay.
against any system. I told you I am friendly
Okay.
to all.
Yes, I understand that, sir.
Will not criticize anybody.
Yes.
Next.
Okay.
Tell good about homeopathy, not bad about other systems. No.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Next.
Venkatapavan Kumar.
Venkat Pawan Kumar Yamarti.
Next.
Okay. Dr. Shankar Prasad.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir?
Dr. Shankar Prasad.
Dr. Shankar Prasad.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I
Good
am from
evening.
Bihar. I
You
am
are from
Bihar,
Bihar.
sir.
You are MBBS doctor.
BHMS doctor, sir.
BHMS doctor. Tell me.
BHMS.
Okay, Homeo doctor.
Sir.
Yeah, Bihar.
When suppress ointment, when I give a patient suppress by ointment, but how can relieve with medicine?
Huh?
Sir, if you
Okay.
want, you can ask in Hindi. If you are
No, I am
comfortable.
not clear about. I could not hear.
Correct. That's right.
अब हिंदी में बताइए आप.
यस सर. सर मैं जब पेशेंट को मेडिसिन मैं दे रहा हूँ और उस स्थिति में अगर उसे आराम नहीं मिल रहा, पेशेंट वो चाहता है कि मुझे आराम मिले, तो उस कंडीशन में कैसे उसको आराम दिया जाए जब हम ऑइंटमेंट अगर ना दे तो?
Coconut oil, neem oil, natural things we can apply. With that, to give homeopathy remedy, then you will get betterment. Okay, that we have to see patient to patient. It differs, but you can give natural substances, not chemicals.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Thank you.
Sairam
Thank you.
Dvivedula.
Next question.
Sairam Dvivedula.
Yes.
Sir, please speak louder. Madam, speak louder.
When you are in the queue, please stand in the queue. When you are in the queue, stand in the queue. Wait for your turn. Next.
ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది లేదా ఫిజికల్ ప్లేన్ లో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది అన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు డయాబెటీస్ లాంటి కేసెస్ లో అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ డయాబెటీస్ క్యూరబుల్ అన్నారు, కానీ దాని వల్ల కొన్ని కాంప్లికేషన్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా, అప్పుడప్పుడు పెయిన్ అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది, కానీ అది మెంటల్ ప్లేన్ లో ఉందా ఫిజికల్ ప్లేన్ లో ఉందా ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది మాస్టర్ గారు?
పేషెంట్ చెప్తారు, మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. కొన్నాళ్ళు కొన్ని పేషెంట్లను చూస్తే ఒక్కొక్క పేషెంట్ ఒక్కొక్క యూనిక్ అన్నమాట. అందరికి ఇట్లా ఉంటుందని చెప్పలేము. May not be same with all patients. By experience, you will understand it by treating such cases. Okay. Next.
మరి వాటికి మెడికేషన్ ఎలా ఇస్తారు మాస్టర్ గారు?
Medication is always on the totality of symptoms. Even after 6 months, you will ask this question. Total symptoms you have to take and find out a remedy which will suit all the symptoms. Then automatically this will be cured.
Okay.
Next,
Rakesh Kumar.
we'll close at 8:45.
Sir, good evening. This is Rakesh Kumar from Dehradun.
अरे जी राकेश जी कैसे हैं?
Hi, sir. I am fine, sir. I am very happy to see you again on the screen.
Yeah, very happy. Tell me.
Sir, I gave one dose of a medicine for skin itching. In next 12 hours, itching aggravated. What should I consider that my medicine has enhanced? My medicine has enhanced the vital force to dry out the itching on the surface, or I gave a wrong medicine.
Yes, there are two things. When skin complaint is aggravated, and if the person continues to say that I am okay, your medicine is correct. If the person says I am not okay, that means he is not okay internally, medicine is wrong.
Okay, sir. Understood.
The person understood. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Abhijit Bishe.
Sir, good evening. Really happy to be part of this and big thank you for this session.
Where from
Sir,
your calling?
I'm from Bangalore, and my question is, it was a great explanation on physical plane and mental plane. Thank you for that. I read something about miasms as well, which is the 3 miasms which were mentioned by James Tyler Kent. So can you please little bit tell us on that?
I will tell separately. Separate classes there. I will tell.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next.
Venkata Pawan Kumar again.
Namaste, sir. I'm calling from Dubai. You were saying about a particular kind of thoughts which will lead to cancer and diabetes. Would you mind please repeating that again? What kind of thoughts or what kind of mentality?
No. I told you very clearly, every case is unique. You cannot say that one particular thought will make him cancerous or one particular thought will bring diabetes, nothing like that. We do not have any measure for that. Any thought may culminate in any ultimate. So, like anxiety or like fear or something like that, it may finally culminate into any symptom or any disease. We can't tell that. But anything symptom of the mind which troubles the patient or the person is to be treated homeopathically.
Okay.
We don't have particular index type, nothing like that.
Okay, understood. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next.
Roshan Bhatta, sir, again.
Earlier, sir, you were telling we had a treatment for those kind of sensation, like if it's only mental or if it's only in the
What's your
sensation.
question? What's your question?
Some kind of sensation like heaviness or something falling down from the body.
Yes. That is to be taken as one symptom. Along with that, there will be many other symptoms. Then take all symptoms into consideration. Find out a medicine which is similar in the action. Then you will get rid of all these sensations. It is not one symptom. You have to take the totality of the symptoms.
Thank you.
Next.
Vijaya Lakshmi PVA.
Yes, sir. Namaste. I'm Vijay Lakshmi from Hyderabad. My
Hyderabad.
question is regarding the previous question about skin complaint aggravation.
Yes.
Does it holds good? Does the points holds good for any other complaint also, sir? If any other complaints aggravates, but if he says he is okay, can we consider it that that medicine is right?
If the person is all right, he will say that my skin is aggravated, but I am okay. I am getting good sleep. My bowel movement is normal. I am happy, but my skin is problematic. Then we can say that the drug is correct. Suppose he says,
if he has a headache, if he says that I'm okay except this headache,
then we have to take that symptom as a local symptom and find out the medicine for the total nature of the person.
If the headache is chronic, like he is
That
getting...
you cannot say that. I told you, each person is unique. You have to take the totality in all cases. Okay? One symptom you cannot tell like that. Next.
Sudharani Khatri, madam.
Sir, it's me again, sir, Sudharani. Sir,
Be fast.
yes, sir.
Let other persons also get an opportunity. Come on, fast.
Okay, sir. So vital force, you said vital force will drive out any poison material from the body to the outer plane. So
Yes.
what, I mean, will it not damage to the organs? I mean, in course of expelling it out,
It will not,
Okay.
because there is no physical transfer.
Okay.
There is no physical transfer, hence it will not damage other organs.
Okay. Only
Next.
skin?
Skin is not a problem. Skin is there, we should be happy.
Yeah, I understand, sir. But if the person doesn't take a homeopathy medicine, then next consequence, will it, I mean, will it
It may
extend to
lead
the
to
organs?
anything.
That part?
We cannot,
Yeah.
internal organs will not get damaged.
No.
External
Okay.
it is there, so no problem.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Recordings are available after a few days. We will supply recordings. Not immediately after this class. We are putting them in order. We will send one by one. We will put in the Homeo-Hygiene, our Telegram app. We will upload slowly. Okay. Not at the end. We will do it in the course of time.
Sir, do you want to take 847 or will you stop and put the questions in the chat?
You tell me. Tell me.
Sushil Chaudhary?
From?
No, sir. I'm asking Sushil Chaudhary.
Achha, you are, yes. Satyanarayana is asking.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He's not responding. Nagamani MVS?
Not responding. Next.
Ajanta Kannan?
Namaste, sir. I am Ajanta from Tanjavur.
From?
I just want to know if there is any.
Where from you are talking?
Tanjavur, sir. Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Is there any medicine for scorpion bite or snake bite, or we have to check only the totality of the symptoms even in that emergency situation, sir?
Yes, emergency totality how to take.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next.
Nagamani madam.
ఇప్పుడు సార్ నమస్తే సార్.
Namaste.
కెన్ ఐ స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు సార్?
You can.
ఇది డయాబెటీస్ కేసులో మా వారికి తన కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ మీద మెడిసిన్ వేసినా కూడా దానిలో రిజల్ట్ అలాగే హై ఇదిలో ఉంటున్నాయి లెవెల్స్. ఇప్పుడు లైఫ్ స్టైల్ చేంజింగ్ డిసీజెస్, లైఫ్ స్టైల్ చేంజెస్ వల్ల ఈ డిసీజెస్ అంటారు కదా సార్, ఇది ఎంతవరకు మనకి ఇది, లేకపోతే ఎంతవరకు మనం
100% true. You have to follow, change your lifestyle when we get a diseases like diabetes or blood pressure, etc. Lifestyle is to be changed.
అంటే కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ గా పడినా కూడా చేంజెస్ రాకపోతే చేంజెస్ వస్తాయి.
yes, డయాబెటీస్ ఉంది నేను స్వీట్ తింటూనే ఉంటాను అంటే కాదు. Next.
Venkata Pawan Kumar.
Namaste, sir. Pavan again from Dubai. Sir, you were mentioning about bowel movement. If the patient has proper bowel movement, though he is not feeling good after taking a appropriate homeopathy remedy, so does that mean bowel movement is an important indicator of how the remedy is acting?
Yes, bowel movement is one of the important actions of the body. We have to restudy the case, take down the case again. Symptoms are to be asked again and find out a suitable similar remedy.
Okay, so if there is a constipation after the remedy, that means we'll have to retake the case.
We have to wait.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you all. Uncle, I think no more questions. So a couple of things that I want to tell before closing the class. So when you, I request everyone to raise hand at the last. So master will be answering the question and answers at the end of the class. And be quick, okay? When we say the name, please unmute immediately and ask the question, because you don't want to waste the time, okay? That is one thing. And I'm happy that I thought people are joining from different parts of the state and different parts of the country. But today I saw a couple of people join from US and Dubai and all. Thank you very much for your interest, and we are happy to see you all. And thanks for asking all the questions to the master, and hope you got all the proper answers. And master, if you are okay, maybe after around 10 classes or 15 classes, we can make one class as a question and answers, so that we will have enough.
We can make like that.
Yes, we will plan for that. We will plan for that. Once you get basics of homeopathy, we will plan for one question and answers class.
Done. Thank you and good night to
Thank
all
you
of
all.
you.
With respect to you, sir, one point just I wanted. Nowadays in Bangalore, I mean, there is a lot of rainfall is happening. Something you feel bad, you no need to worry. Don't be panic. We'll arrange how we would handle. We'll handle. That's all. Don't send a message continues on the Teams or in the Telegram. We'll manage. Okay, you don't need to worry. All the people. Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, thank you. Namaskar. Good night.
Namaskar, sir. Good night, sir.
Namaskar.